Did you know that baking soda, something so small, so cheap and so ordinary, could actually hold the secret to better health, more energy, and even a longer life? For years, people have only used it for baking cakes or cleaning their kitchens. But today, I'm going to reveal to you how mixing baking soda with just a few simple natural ingredients can create results so shocking, so life-changing, that even elderly people who thought their best days were behind them are experiencing brand new energy, relief from pain, and a smile they haven't worn in years. Think about this for a second. Every year, millions of people spend thousands of dollars on medicines, supplements, and treatments. But what if I told you that a cure, a real miracle cure, was sitting right there in your kitchen cabinet all along? It almost sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll discover remedies that could change your daily routine forever. And trust me, number one on this list will shock you so much, you'll wish you had known about it 10 years ago. Before we dive in, I want you to do something for me. Look down at the comments section right now and tell me, where are you watching this video from? Are you in the USA, Canada, maybe somewhere in Europe or Asia? Drop it down below, because I love seeing people from all around the world joining this health journey. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we've got so many powerful health secrets coming your way that you do not want to miss. Now, let's get started with the very first miracle mix of baking soda, a combination that can instantly help with one of the most common problems elderly people face every single day: indigestion and acid reflux. Imagine this: you've just eaten a heavy meal, maybe pasta, bread, or something fried, and suddenly your chest feels heavy. There's a burning sensation in your throat, and you can't even lie down comfortably at night. Sounds familiar, right? This is acid reflux, and for elderly people it becomes more and more common with age. But here's where baking soda comes in. When you mix just half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it slowly, it can instantly neutralize that burning acid in your stomach. But here's the miracle part. When you combine this with a few drops of lemon juice, the effect becomes even stronger. The baking soda neutralizes the acid, while the lemon provides vitamin C and a refreshing alkalizing effect on your system. Together, they don't just treat the symptoms, they actually help bring your body back to balance. And here's what's really amazing. Elderly people who use this simple mix a few times a week report feeling lighter, more energetic, and less dependent on those expensive antacid pills that often come with side effects. It's safe, natural, and it works almost instantly. Now, let's talk about something that almost every elderly person notices as the years go by: wrinkles, dull skin, and that tired look in the mirror. You see, aging is natural, but what if I told you that a small miracle sitting right in your kitchen could actually slow it down? Yes, baking soda, when mixed with the right ingredient, can become a powerful anti-aging remedy. Here's the secret. When you combine baking soda with coconut oil, something magical happens. Coconut oil deeply nourishes the skin, while baking soda gently exfoliates, removes dead cells, and balances the skin's pH. Together, they don't just make your skin glow, they make it look younger, fresher, and smoother. And the best part, it's all natural, no chemicals, no expensive creams. Imagine this: an elderly woman who had spent hundreds of dollars on skin creams tried this simple mix just once a week. Within a month, her friends started asking, "What are you doing? Your skin looks so fresh." That's the kind of result this little combination can bring. So here's how you make it. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil. Mix them together until it forms a smooth paste. Apply it gently on your face, massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, and then wash it off with warm water. The result? Softer, glowing skin and fewer wrinkles. Over time, this doesn't just improve your looks, it boosts your confidence. And let's be honest, confidence is one of the greatest medicines for healthy aging. But wait, don't go anywhere. Because the next miracle mix of baking soda isn't just about looking younger, it's about feeling younger inside by boosting your energy and keeping your body fresh. And trust me, you'll want to try this one today itself. And before we continue, I want to know from you, do you already use baking soda for anything other than cooking? Tell me in the comments below, because I'm really curious to see how many of you are already aware of its hidden powers. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because your support means the world to me and helps me share more miracle health tips with you. One of the biggest complaints elderly people have is this: I just don't have the same energy anymore. Getting out of bed feels heavier, walking up the stairs feels like climbing a mountain, and even small tasks leave you feeling drained. But here's the shocking truth: sometimes that lack of energy isn't because of aging itself, it's because of toxins building up inside your body. This is where baking soda comes in again, not just as a kitchen item, but as a secret weapon to refresh and recharge your entire system. When you mix baking soda with apple cider vinegar, the result is like a natural energy booster. Together, they create a powerful alkaline effect in your body, flushing out toxins, improving blood circulation, and giving you a lift of energy that feels almost instant. Here's how to make it. Take half a glass of water. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Add just a pinch of baking soda. Mix it gently, let the fizz settle down, and drink it slowly in the morning on an empty stomach. What happens next? You'll notice your digestion improves, your bloating goes down, and your body feels lighter. But most importantly, that constant tiredness starts to fade. It's like your cells wake up, your metabolism gets a kickstart, and your day begins with a natural burst of energy. No coffee, no energy drinks, no crash later. Elderly people who've tried this say they no longer feel that heavy, sluggish body they used to carry around. Instead, they feel fresher, lighter, and more alive. Some even report that their afternoon naps are shorter because they simply don't feel as tired anymore. And this isn't just about energy. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda together also help balance your blood sugar levels, which is crucial for seniors who are worried about diabetes. So this mix is not only refreshing, it's protective. But here's the thing, you must not overdo it. A little is enough. 1 glass in the morning, 3 to 4 times a week, can make a world of difference. Now imagine this. Instead of dragging yourself through the day, you wake up refreshed, with the energy to walk, to play with your grandchildren, to do the things you thought age had stolen away from you. That's the gift this simple mix can bring. And don't go anywhere, because in the next part, I'll reveal how baking soda can become a natural remedy for joint pain and inflammation, something almost every elderly person struggles with. And trust me, this one will surprise you even more. Before I move on, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar before? If yes, tell me in the comments how you used it. If not, are you willing to give this energy-boosting drink a try? Let me know down below. And while you're at it, hit the like button and subscribe, because the best is still coming. If there's one struggle that almost every elderly person complains about, it's joint pain. The knees hurt when walking, the back aches when standing too long, and even simple movements like bending or lifting feel impossible. Doctors often say, it's just age. But what if I told you that a natural solution, something so simple and cheap, could actually bring you relief without expensive pills or painful injections? Yes, once again, baking soda comes to the rescue. When mixed with warm water and turmeric, it becomes a natural anti-inflammatory remedy. Turmeric, as you probably know, has been used for centuries as a powerful healing spice. It contains curcumin, which reduces swelling and pain. Baking soda, on the other hand, helps balance the body's pH, reducing internal acidity that often worsens joint pain. Together, they form a dynamic duo that can bring elderly people the comfort they've been searching for. Here's the recipe: half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of warm water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it well, drink it slowly, preferably before bedtime. What happens? Many seniors who tried this simple mix say they woke up the next morning with less stiffness in their joints. Over time, they noticed they could walk longer, climb stairs with less pain, and even sleep better because the constant aching had reduced. Imagine this. Instead of avoiding activities you love, you're back to walking in the park, gardening, or even dancing a little at family gatherings. Pain no longer controls your life. That's the power of this natural combination. And here's something even more interesting. Applying baking soda externally can also help. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a paste. Apply it gently on swollen knees or painful joints. Leave it for 10 minutes and then wash off. The cooling and soothing effect is almost instant. Elderly people often describe it as relief in minutes. But remember, consistency is key. Natural remedies take time, but when used regularly, they bring results that last. Now, here's the exciting part. While joint pain relief is amazing, what if I told you baking soda could also protect one of the most important organs in your body, your kidneys? That's exactly what we'll uncover in the next part, and trust me, this might be the most life-changing benefit of all. But before we jump into that, I want you to tell me in the comments, do you or someone you love struggle with joint pain? Drop a yes below if this remedy could help you, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe so more people can discover these miracle cures. One of the most dangerous health issues elderly people silently face is kidney damage. The kidneys are like the body's filters. They clean the blood, remove toxins, and keep everything balanced. But with age, and especially with diets full of acid-forming foods, the kidneys get weaker. Many seniors don't even realize the damage until it's too late. But here's the shocking truth. Baking soda has been studied as a natural support for kidney health. Why? Because it helps reduce the acid load in the body. Too much acid is one of the main reasons kidneys work overtime and eventually weaken. By balancing pH levels, baking soda actually gives your kidneys a break. Here's a simple recipe for kidney support. A glass of lukewarm water, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a few drops of honey for taste, optional. Drink this once every few days, and it can help keep your body's pH balanced, reducing pressure on your kidneys. Some elderly people who tried this noticed reduced swelling in their feet, more frequent urination, which means toxins were being flushed out, and overall more comfort in their daily life. And here's something even more powerful. When combined with parsley tea, baking soda becomes a natural detox remedy. Parsley works as a diuretic, helping flush excess water and toxins from the body, while baking soda supports pH balance. Together, they give your kidneys the fresh start they desperately need. Think about it. Instead of waiting for kidney problems to show up, you're actually protecting them before the damage gets worse. Prevention is always better than cure, and this little remedy can make a world of difference for elderly health. Now imagine the freedom of knowing your kidneys are working smoothly. No more constant worry about swelling, toxins, or fatigue. Just a lighter, fresher body that supports you in living longer and healthier. But hold on, because the next part is going to shock you even more. Did you know that baking soda could actually help improve oral health and even protect your teeth and gums? For elderly people struggling with sensitive teeth, bad breath, or gum problems, this is going to feel like a miracle. But before we go there, let me ask you this. Have you or someone in your family ever struggled with kidney problems? If yes, write kidney in the comments, because I want to see how many of you this remedy could help. And of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, because your support allows me to bring you more health secrets that really matter. And there you have it, a simple, natural and powerful secret that has been sitting in your kitchen all along. Baking soda, when combined with just the right ingredients, can truly transform your health in ways you never imagined possible. From improving digestion and circulation to reducing inflammation and boosting overall energy, the results speak for themselves. But remember, while these remedies are incredibly effective, consistency is the key. Don't just try it once. Make it part of your daily routine. Many elderly people who gave up on medications and endless treatments are now living happier, healthier lives just by following these natural tips. So why not give yourself that chance? Start small, experiment safely, and watch how your body responds. And always remember, nature has already provided the best cures. We just need to learn how to use them wisely. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Your support helps us bring you more secrets like this. Secrets that could change your life forever. Stay healthy, stay positive, and never forget. The power to heal is often much closer than you think.